Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV, your go-to place for personal finance tips and tricks. As the cost of living continues to rise and financial independence becomes a goal for many, side hustles have emerged as an essential way to earn extra income. Whether you're looking to supplement your day job or explore a passion project, side hustles offer flexibility and a chance to diversify income streams. In 2024, the range of side hustle options is broader than ever, thanks to technological advancements and the growth of the gig economy. A side hustle refers to any activity you do outside of your primary job to earn additional income. These flexible jobs have become popular due to their ability to fit into people's schedules without requiring them to leave their full-time work. In today's gig economy, side hustles can range from freelancing to renting out properties. With the rise of technology, many side hustles can be managed entirely online, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. Side hustles offer a way to pursue passions, gain new skills, and, most importantly, increase your financial security. Here are 10 of the best side hustle ideas to help you boost your income this year. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as we are going to dive into 10 side hustle ideas to boost your income in 2024. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing continues to be a top side hustle choice in 2024. If you have skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, or video editing, freelancing is an excellent way to monetize your talents. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide platforms where you can find clients globally. Freelancers can charge hourly rates or per-project fees, making it easier to scale your income based on the time and effort you're willing to invest. The flexibility freelancing offers makes it ideal for those looking to control their workload and balance it with other commitments. 2. Online tutoring or coaching. With the rise of online education and remote learning, tutoring or coaching has become a lucrative side hustle. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer academic tutoring, language lessons, or even skills training. Similarly, coaching services in areas like fitness, career development, and life coaching are growing in demand. Platforms like VIPKid, Wyzant, or your website can connect you with students or clients worldwide. The online format makes it easy to work with people from different time zones, making this a flexible and rewarding option. 3. E-commerce or dropshipping. The e-commerce industry continues to thrive, making it an ideal avenue for side hustlers. Whether you create your products or utilize dropshipping, setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy can be a great source of passive income. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Instead, the supplier ships directly to the customer. This model reduces overhead costs and simplifies operations, making it a popular choice for beginners in the world of online retail. 4. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant roles have become more accessible as businesses and entrepreneurs increasingly seek administrative support. As an assistant, you can handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, and data entry. The demand for virtual assistants continues to grow, especially with more companies operating remotely. This side hustle can be done entirely online, giving you the freedom to work for clients across the globe while maintaining a flexible schedule. 5. Content creation. Content creation has exploded in popularity, offering multiple avenues to earn money. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast allows you to create content on subjects you are passionate about while generating income through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. The key to success in content creation is consistency and quality. The more you engage your audience, the better the monetization opportunities. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok also offer creator funds, helping content creators turn their hobbies into profitable ventures. 6. Delivery or ride sharing. Gig economy jobs such as delivery driving or ride sharing are flexible options for those with reliable vehicles. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Postmates allow drivers to work as much or as little as they want, providing a source of supplemental income. Whether you prefer delivering food or giving rides, these jobs offer the benefit of instant earnings, Many drivers appreciate the freedom to set their working hours, making it an ideal side hustle for those looking for flexible work without a long-term commitment. 7. Pet sitting and dog walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking services can be both enjoyable and profitable. Websites like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with trusted caregivers, allowing you to earn money while spending time with pets. These services can be as simple as walking dogs for a few hours a week or providing overnight care while the owners are away. If you live in a pet-friendly neighborhood, this side hustle offers the chance to earn regular income by building relationships with local pet owners. 8. Print on demand. Another online business model to consider is print on demand. This is where you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party service prints and ships them to your customers. You don't need any upfront inventory, just creativity. Sites like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring make it super easy to set up. All you have to do is create your designs and market them to your audience. 9. Renting out property. If you have extra space or property, renting it out can provide a steady stream of passive income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to rent out rooms or entire homes to travelers. Hosting on Airbnb can be especially lucrative in tourist hotspots or cities with high demand for short-term rentals. Additionally, renting out storage space, parking spaces, or vehicles can offer alternative ways to make use of unused property. The key to success is maintaining your property well and providing excellent customer service to attract positive reviews. 10. Social media management. In today's digital world, social media presence is crucial for businesses looking to engage with customers and build their brand. As a social media manager, you can leverage your knowledge of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn to help businesses grow their audience and increase engagement. This side hustle involves creating content, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing performance metrics to optimize strategies. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs don't have the time or expertise to manage their social media effectively, creating a demand for freelance social media managers. This side hustle requires creativity, organization, and strong communication skills, but it offers flexibility and scalability. You can start by managing a few small accounts and expand your business by taking on more clients as you gain experience. Courses and certifications in social media marketing can help you build credibility and attract higher-paying clients. Diversifying your income streams with side hustles is a smart financial strategy in 2024. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply increase your financial independence, finding the right side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests is essential. Each of the ideas listed here offers flexibility and the potential to scale your efforts, making it easier to turn your extra hours into significant income over time. As with any business, success in side hustling comes from consistency, hard work, and adapting to market trends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks.